always tastes so good. That's because I trust Kingsford Hardwood Pellets. Kingsford.
Subscribe to Bay Current on the Odyssey app or wherever you get podcasts. This is Protection.
All right, Sam, nice to have you. Hit me with the Jimos, Alvin.
Silicon Valley Insider fans, you've listened to Keith Koo for 5 seasons discussing disruption and innovation. But did you know his passion is in advising and mentoring tech startups? For the new year.
Now, and it's going to be a weight loss drug of their own.
जिनका होगा निशाना अफीम, जो करेंगे इनका सर्वनाश, वो कहलाएंगे।
What you heard is true, but I can't stop thinking about you and I.
Work differently. So we have a layered cortex, sort of lasagna. They have their neurons are arranged in kind of in bulbs, more like a
one driver, kind of one passenger type of ride under what we've modeled so far, there would be, a charge to that